Nunarsuutsinni nagguaqatigit inuit Siberiami alaskami Kanadami nunatsinnilu katilluta 160.000 tyuvugut. Taama ikitsialuarluta ukiuttamaasa amerlasoorpassuit imminut toqullutik qimaguttarput. Nunarput 60.000 missaani inoqarpo 2.000 tiimi inuit 62 imminut toqussimapput. Nunavut 31.000 sit missaanik inoqarpo 2.000 tiimi qaamatit arfinerpingasut iluanni 23 imminut toqussimapput. Nunavimmi Kalaallit nunaani nunavimmilu inuit 101.000 sit najoqarfigisaani imminortut 95 sit sinnerpaat. Qularnangilaq imminut toquttarneq inuit nunaani annertuumik aornertorsiutaammat qanulli iliorsinnaagu.
Inuuninnguaq kuutuarmiungutunga. I'm Rachel Gordon. I'm from Inuuninnguaq, northern Quebec of Canada. A lot of people don't know where it is. People still think we live in igloos, but we make igloos for fun now. After high school, I was trying to go to college, and I didn't know what I wanted to do yet. So I took hairdressing. I went to beauty school.
Jangan seni puvunga Inuuninnguaq manna kuutuarmiunguluktuq. I'm an Inuk. It's what my grandmother always taught me to be.
Imiilimik ateqarpunga muulko ilulissani inuungorpunga trissiqqiteqqunneranni taavalu ilulissan peoriartorpunga qatangutigiarfuni liulluta peoriartorpunga toqqisimasoruyummik angeoqqaangimernaajoramik.
My real mother, May, she lives in Montreal. She likes the lifestyle. I don't blame her. My grandparents were alcoholics before, and she wasn't raised right, and now she feels like she could just do whatever she wants. She left my little sister and brother as well. I raised them with my grandparents, and they really look up to me, and I really love them. They're really smart, and I feel like I'm doing a good job. Every time after school, when the year ends, I would go camping, hunting for the whole summer. Never go back to Inuuneq all the way. I really enjoyed it. I didn't really like it because I wanted to go be with my friends as a child. But now that I'm older, I understand why it made me who I am today. I really like my life, even though I went through a lot as a child. So I feel confident in everything what I do, and I want to become better.
Ineriartorn sukkangaatiartorissuarmi singinikuuara. Soorleqqarsaatingalugu imaat aananguakkut eqqaamava fiarsuuneqangillalluunni attaa kingusissoruissuakkut telefonitaarput.
Jonathan 2011 tikillu nunavimmi politikkikut inuusuttu suliniaqatigifianni Saputiit Youth Association nimi sulittaasuuvoq. Saputiit Youth Association nunavimmi inuusuttut suliniaqatigifigaat ilaatuut pinaversaartitinermik peqqinnartumillu inuuneqarnissamik aqqutissiusinissamik suliniuteqartoq.
Royal Trade Department was established. It's like
It definitely was not what my grandparents were brought up in. It's much different. A lot has changed. They were nomadic people. They lived in igloos. They were born in igloos. They had no doctors, no nurse. To get the water, they had to hunt to get their skin pot. And now we have it delivered to our house. We have walls. They had to build their walls of snow. And this is not long ago. This was only 2 generations ago. And it's a much different world. And now we have instant access to everything.
Nunavik 10.000 ullumikut inooqarpoq 1973-2004 tungaanut imminortut katillutik 188
Nunavik has had a very high suicide rate in the past 25 years. I mean, it's been very tragic, very, how do you say it, close to home. I mean, many of us have lost friends close to us. Just 2 years ago, my sister attempted suicide but did not succeed. And I work towards preventing that. And, you know, it's a very, very tough, but, you know, she's strong and she's here.
I personally used to think of taking my life too because I blame myself a lot. I went through molestation myself. I thought I was ugly, a monster, because I thought I was the only one going through that. But as I seek for help, you're not the only one. So I had a really difficult childhood. Now that I'm older, life gets better, and it's getting even better. Yeah. The young 14, 15, 13-year-old girls have been killing themselves. And we've been talking about why it's happening so young. There's a lot of molestation and lack of love and comfort. So we are working on that. This is the main issue in Kuujjuaq for teenagers. They're really insecure about themselves, like this governing. They're Inuk, but they're changing the urban life. I find it's one of the reasons why Inuit get so lost with themselves because of that. And they forget who they are, and they forget who to go and who to talk to. And there's a lot of parents that drink a lot in Kuujjuaq, and you see kids just being outside. That's why we have a safe house in Kuujjuaq for the youth. It's open 24/7, 65 days a year. For kids that are cold, they could just open the door and go. There's always a supervisor. Yeah, and it's been helping a lot, and kids like to go there, and there's computers, everything. And there's a youth center. They do a lot of activities there too. It's been working. Like I said, it's getting stronger.
Utua 2160 inuulik 1993 i 2004 og mod 55 imminortarnerillu. Nunatsinneersorlu inuit 50 missaa imminortarnerillu. Ukiuttamaasa.
Inuusuttuarangunnermi арлалиппарусsuit imminorneq utungaasimarugaa алла малиттаассути туллуунни аллаангини наппаат унилуутто иnuusuttuаққану аннерми тассали имминортаамерларуттормут аллаққааммут алианарникориуссуу орсоорлу атуутилеққааммат имминорнеқ сиорнатсигу таани матту акутусориуссуу галуарпу имминортарнерилулиссан кисия тас фиассиккут 90-сикку ингерланерани ассерсуутингиннарлугу атуақатингиит атаатсит нугунгаюппут тассали имминортаамерларуттормати тааманиккут ааммисингиникууа иллортаакка сисамат имминормата ассориуссуаам тассини аттаатаам канитсигисум илақут танник имминортоқаам туллериаангиннарлутик соонам эққарсаатерпассуу таккуссууккам сооруна соомми оқангиннавит аллаа писооқатаасут мисингалунга соом ила қангатут орнингиннаккит илақутаарииттуа таатсиморфингисатсинни иммитсиннеэққартуоқатингиттарат имма улаперутторатта тааманиккут тамакулууни пиффисаарфигисимангила аллаққаамму алианаариарлутик амерларуттормат имминорту эққарсарнарсиллуни алианааруннаарлуни арлаатингуллуун сор каманнарсииннарлуни ласоон таамаалисо апеққутерпарпаруйуссуи саққуммералерлутик киорнатигу эққарсаатингиллуалерлугу налунараама қанно инуунеқарсиманера тааккуа кисина атааseqqaangu налунгилеққану инуунеқарсимас кисина амерланерит қану инуунеқарсиманера налуллууни лилерминааттарами эққарсаатерпарпаруйуссуи таккуттарпу соорлиммаа меэрааллутик аторнерлунгаасиманеру кингорна инерия поориарторнерас налаатақарсимаанертиаққутингалу инерусуккуннаарлутик инуусуттуараангуннерналаани аам имматуллуунаама эққарсарникууга ила тупиннарутторма таамани имминорта амерларуттормат нуаннаарторинниллути аллаа имма тааматуллуунне эққарсарлут наккарсаасарн тааманиккуам атунгаасоруйуссуугами инуит налуиллугу қану инуунеқарту упаруарлугит имааккавинуна илли имааттутит имма инуусариақангилатит.
We have to understand that we really have been traumatized by a lot of the past injustices that have happened to us. But we must move forward and accept and understand what has happened to us to move on. And, you know, it takes time. It takes time. It's easy to lose hope in a fast world. It's easy to lose direction. It's easy to lose focus. But we must remind ourselves who we are here. Not out there, inside ourselves. This is the key, I think. And believe in yourself, because Everybody has something to give to this world we live in. We need one another to be strong, and individually we must strengthen ourselves and move forward with our strength, not our weakness. Everybody have a weakness. Everybody has, a tough time or something's not right, but we can overcome that if we learn to deal with it and to accept our faults as well as our strength.
Well, I find we all should get together, like go to conferences and heal, talk about our life and why we don't enjoy and what we like, everyone's opinion. We'll be inside and we'll answer each other, help each other. And if you heal like that, it's gonna help so much.
2, 3, and then Mani, cook.
I just know it because it helped me to talk about it with my friends. And after we talked about it, we're always traveling, working. We're happy because we talk about our issues and our life.
Inuuninnguaq ida tamuk persmasut alianartorpassuit qallerniarsaralu imingassa tunullugu nuinnertoriu toriarfissarpassui ammartarpu imingassa atorunnaarlu kammalaaterni ujarlerner inoqaterni ujarlerner pinguortitaq pingaartumi pinguortitaq ornittarqullugu illoqarfimma toqqaannileraangat ilaatigu inuun taannaannannguraanga eqqarsaaterpassuangortaram sussuunga aqangu iterugu eqqarsaatit kusanaattut salliutinnemersaarlugit ilaatigu ammartornarsinnaasaaluarpimmaa eqqarsaati taakkua kaavitu pernissaa sin qaamanorulaartunguam eqqarsarluni aqangu nuannersumi suliaqassuuga aqu nuannersumi eqqarsassuuga kammalaatikqaqaningisakkaluunni aqangu takusassuak unnuk nuannisaqatigissuak imingassa atungikkaluarlugulu aammutunissunguuma taakkuaammu tunissuang nuannersu.
Before you think of killing yourself, taking your life, you should think about the people around you, people that love you, and you should seek for help. And you're not the only one going through what you are going through. Think hard and seek for help. That's all I have to say, because it hurts the people that love you. So just listen to your heart. Only you can change yourself. Be patient. And as you get older, life gets better. Every young life is difficult, not just for one person. It's all the same.
So inuuni taam imaqartigis iparaannassuarpu аллами писсақангилам инуунерми налуиллугу ила инуунериллуутуга тоқугутта суқарам суам таанқиниссуар
use the tools that were given to us and better understand this fast-changing world. without the distraction. I mean, there's going to be distractions. There's alcohol, drugs, there's a lot of influences that can change our course, but we have to remain focused.
Eqqarsaati kusanartut inoqammut nakkarsaanginno inoqamma qaammarsaanoq kaammattuino neriuppunga taamanikkussamut tamakkua ulluinnarsiutigilerumaariingu inoqatit ataqqinеруллуги soorsiulingut qanga taamaassimaasut.
My aim is to help, like my grandmother taught me, is to be a Inuk, help others. She always told me to use my abilities and make sure the family is okay and our people. This is the kind of person she was. She gave me a lot of advice about family and network of Inuit, of how we must help each other and assist one another, because this world can get hectic. We're strong as Inuit. We live in a rough environment, but yet we seem to overcome many of the challenges we face. There's storms, we survived in the most harsh environment known to man. And we're still doing that today, in just a different way. The details have changed, but the reality has not.
Nuannersumu eqqarsari inuuneq qunguyussuaat.
And whatever doesn't kill you makes you stronger, so I think of that all the time. So that I just forgave everything that hurt me, and now I'm confident. I like to use that word a lot because it describes who I am.
I want Inuit to be known in 1,000 years, and for Inuit to be strong and proud and loud.